Right now we're good. Ooh, 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 ooh. Whoa, uh-oh, that's not good.
You got a fire extinguisher?
No.
Alright.
You start it up again?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Fire! We've made fire! Not yet, not yet, not yet. Just let it go.
No.
Oh, yeah. Woohoo! Fire!
Alright.
Ew.
Oh, this stuff stinks. Alright, shouldn't.
It shouldn't? That's good.
Should.
Ooh, look, I see sparking. Just let it go. Let it burn itself out.
Yeah, except it won't.
You're right. Oh, well, it might. Chug it! Shut it! Blow on it and then chug it instantly. That way the smoke can't really get out. Get out here, mosquito. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love the freaking flares that are like... Good idea. That worked. Good job. Wow.
That thing's toast. Ah.
Aw, sad. Fire! No, wait, it's fine. Look, nothing's really catching anymore.
Yeah, because we burnt all the stuff that would catch. Alright, dude, I'm gonna check on the,
Oh, wait, no, not yet, not yet. There's some little fires in there. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, oh, ooh.
Alright.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Here we go.
Look it, it's like fireworks.
Ready?
Happy 4th of July! Alright, so the purpose of the
Ah,
pipe
it
cleaner...
didn't even do anything.
Ah! Really? You sure about that?
Yeah, dude, it didn't melt it.
So the purpose of the pipe cleaner in there, which you can see now is not much of a pipe cleaner anymore, was to...
Oh, dude, it like melted it to the... That is one pipe cleaner that is shot.
What happened to all the fuzzies?